Control the operation and use of the electrical box. Now let's introduce the operation of the control box. The 7 buttons are the combination buttons we use to control the whole system. Press the #rec# key on the main page to switch the formula number. There are 10 groups of formulas to switch. Pressing the #0# key under the main page is 0. Then we enter the operation interface. Press #enter# and #model# to enter the formula parameter setting interface. After we have determined the current formula number, we can set the formula parameter. On the formula parameter setting page, the #0# and #gn# keys control the left and proper movement of the mouse. When we move to the number we want to modify, press #enter# to confirm, and a red box will pop up. The red box means that the currently set parameter is selected. After selecting the parameter, we press #tar# and #model#. #tar# is the plus key, and #model# is the minus key. On the selected formula parameter setting page, the #0# and #gn# keys also control the left and proper movement of the mouse. For example, if we want to change it to 100 kilograms, enter 1 here. And use the minus key to change this to 0. After the modification is completed, press the #enter# key to write the parameter so we can write it successfully. After successful writing, we can directly press #escape# to exit to the main page. When we simultaneously press the #enter# key and the #model# key, we will enter the metering parameter setting page. Similarly, the #0# key can control the mouse's movement to the left to cycle through the parameters. Here, press #enter# to select to modify the 0 areas. If we want to modify it to 10 kilograms. Note that if the modified parameter has a decimal point, the decimal point position should be deducted after modification. Press #escape# to exit. Press the #gn# key and #enter# key simultaneously to enter the calibration parameter setting page. Similarly, the #0# and #gn# keys control the left and proper movement of the mouse to select parameters. On this parameter page, here is the status bit of the weighing platform. Here is the real-time weight of the weighing platform. Here is the parameter we modified. And above is the prompt for us to modify the parameter. Selecting each group of parameters will display the corresponding range and meaning. To exit, press #escape#. Press the #0# key and #enter# key simultaneously to enter the correction page. You can select the history of different periods on this page by pressing up and down and pressing #enter# to view. Now, open the electrical control box, where USB interface is provided to insert the USB drive. After inserting the U-disc, press the #enter# key in the current history interface to export the history. At this time, the light here will flash. After flashing, the data export is completed, and you can pull out the USB drive. Press hashtag escape hash to return to the main page,